Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi guys, I'm Kanta Motwani. I'm here with Pinkvilla and today I'm going to show you how we can recreate this look that I've done on Riya. Okay, I've already sectioned her hair into 2 ponytails. Just to make it easier, I have just already curled it a little bit. You can see that. Now you can recreate this with either a big barrel tong. Since you're using your heat appliances, it's best to just protect your hair with a little bit of serum or any styling product because it will protect your hair from direct heat. The trick is to just twist it inwards, release it, then you do this, twist it outwards. You just have to do random sections just to create a little bit of smoothness. And do you want to try it? If you're doing it yourself, you protect your hand with a glove, hold the iron in your this hand, put it down and take a section. Yes, that's right. Yes, slide it down, slide it down.
Okay.
Yes, just release your other hand and just slightly twist it.
Okay. So last week I'd come here, but you all had some celebration going on, so I wanted a haircut, but then you all had a celebration.
Yes, we were closed. In fact, all our 7 salons, we closed it because we were celebrating. We completed 16 years. We just turned 17. So we wanted to celebrate.
Wow, Speaking of hair trends, can you tell us a little more about the hair trends which are big?
A lot of our young guests are opting for these nice, exciting colors, that black and silver, that very ash blonde highlights are very big, and also nice bright colors. Holi is coming up, so you'll see a lot of bright colors, especially purples and blues and very different colors like green.
Have you done any exciting color for any of the actors?
Well, I think all of them are very very trendy, but because of they are doing so many films at a time, and we did a beautiful pink color for pink and lilac for Tapsee for one of her films. It was not for the movie Pink. It is for another movie which is going to release this year.
So my hair looks damn flat from here, so how do I give it like a bounce?
Yeah, you can actually, when the hair is long, it just, with the weight, it kind of goes flat. Yeah, to give it more body, I would recommend you use a little bit of dry shampoo, or especially with the weight of the hair, it just goes flat because it's very long. Now that I've opened the ponytails, you can see the hair has already got a nice natural texture in the hair, and to make this look a little more fuller, we add some dry shampoo or some texturizing spray, and just for the front bit we will curl it a little bit. So just bump it up a little bit. Just take the iron a little high. When you want beach waves, when you're tonging your hair or using the straightening iron, make sure that you're using, taking small sections and just twisting them clockwise and anti-clockwise. So it just gives that very nice lived-in texture. So what I've done in her hair, because she's got very straight and very thick hair, I have just pinned it up. This is my portable hood dryer, for shoots and stuff. We don't have those big heavy duty dryers, so this is something which is very handy. Okay, the biggest mistake one can do, when you're styling your hair, when you want those waves, you just heat it and then you don't let it sit for some time. The idea is for the curl to kind of just set in. So you just wait for some time, you know, when you're. So what you do is, everybody doesn't have this, but it's very convenient if you have. So you're going to sit like this for some time, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay. Okay, now the hair is nicely baked. So now I'm just brushing it out to make it look more lived in and natural. So this is your final look. During the day, maybe you can just take a couple of sections and just pin it up. But for the evening, what I would recommend, and which is my favorite, in fact, we did this for Kajol the other day for Filmfare. We just made a very deep kind of a side part. You take a section between your eyebrows and just take a diagonal section all the way till the crown. Okay, when you take a side part, you just take a small 1-inch section and just slightly, very gently backcomb it. The reason why I'm doing this, so that, you know, if I put a bobby pin, it stays, because if the hair is very straight and silky, just a gentle tease, just 2 or 3 strokes. So this is it. It's casual enough to wear it during the day, and, you know, just make it very easy, make it look very easy. And it's glamorous enough to just rock the night. Okay, I'm going to show you a very quick variation on something which looks very cool, and it's very young and very fun. Take a little bit of serum, put it in your hair so that it's easy for you to section your hair. So basically what we have done is, we just took one little ponytail on top, and we took a small section from the side and took half the section from the first ponytail and made another ponytail here. So it's like going to be like a little beehive. We are taking half, we are dividing each ponytail into 2 and just creating a new ponytail. So this is it. It is so easy. So guys, this is the final look. It's very simple, very easy to do, and very trendy and fun. So guys, hope this was helpful. For more videos like this, you can
like, share and subscribe to
Pinkvilla.